Welcome to the Livtocook show. I present to you Chef Livia.
Hi, welcome to my kitchen. So today we're going to talk about a few different things. Our main priority is compound butters and flavored oils. So let's start with flavored oil, compound butters. We're going to talk about a couple of those items and then we'll move on to flavored oils. Compound butters. There's two main reasons we use compound butters. The first reason is to finish sauces, and the second is to slice and finish grilled items or seared items. Stay tuned tomorrow and we'll show you what I mean. So right now I'll show you a compound butter here. Now this compound butter is a classic maitre d' hotel butter where we've used parsley, lemon zest. So for example, we would zest our lemon like that. And we chop up our parsley and we include that right inside and make sure our butter is soft. And we whip that all up, okay? Now, compound butters, you can use so many different things. My husband and I used to go to this excellent restaurant that used to put bacon in their butter and top their steaks with it. That was a wonderful compound butter. So think about it, because you're going to take a turn and invent your own or create your own later on. So when we're doing our compound butter, we're going to put it on the parchment paper and we're going to even that out. Okay. Now we're going to roll it up so that we can use it later on. Like I said, tomorrow we're going to be using this compound butter. So I want to just even that out in my parchment paper. Roll it up, kind of think about a Pillsbury cookie product. We roll that up so it's nice and cylinder. We're going to refrigerate because we're going to use it tomorrow, but if you wanted to freeze that and use it over time, you could do that as well. Remember that before I started this show, I made sure I washed my hands for over 20 seconds to make sure I've cleaned all the bacteria off my hands. I've made sure that all of my utensils and everything were clean. So always remember safety first. We're going to talk about safety when we continue on to our next subject, which is going to be flavored oils. Stay tuned.